Today, let's talk about a solicitation proposal. Hello, my name is Jerry Smith, President and CEO of the J.F. Smith Group. I have a firm belief that you never go out and make a solicitation presentation without having a written proposal to carry with you. Now, our proposals are built in 4 separate sections. One, we have a letter from the campaign chair or co-chairs. The second section is an introduction, which is a page or 2 pages. The third section is the project information. The fourth section is the budget page. And again, we like to use odd numbers in the budget page, not an even number. And in the fifth section is what we call the invitation page. And that's where we ask for the specific dollar amount. Again, so there are 2 places in the proposal that we're asking for a specific dollar amount: in the cover letter and in the invitation page. So when we get to the appendix of this proposal, we will have our 501c3 letter, we'll have our board members listed, we'll have our donors listed, and our donors are listed in alphabetical order without any dollar amount next to their name. But also, when you put their board members' names in here, list their occupations. I think it gives you credibility, gives the board credibility, and gives the board member credibility when you list their names that way. So always carry a proposal with you, always present that proposal, and never put that proposal down when you walk into a room to meet a prospective donor, because when you put it down on the table, that donor picks it up, and when he or she picks it up and opens the proposal up and starts reading it, you lose eye contact. When you lose eye contact, it's all over. So present the proposal, hold on to it until you ask for the dollar amount. Thank you.